Hi everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary, a place for all the color lovers, makeup lovers and nature lovers. Today I'm going to create a very basic yet classic glam look with my liquid liner, pencil liner, and I will pair it with a red lip. So keep on watching. I'm going to add a little bit of coppery shimmer all over my lid today. This is my Colourpop Take Me Home palette. This is a coppery shimmer and I'm applying it all over my lid. Just that. It's a pretty quick look and beautiful. I'm covering all my lid at the same time. Little bit on the crease and transition. The same shade, no change. Done. And now I'm going to apply my liquid liner. Very cold and cloudy weather. Going with my liquid liner. A little wing here. Here. I'm keeping the wing pretty long and thick. And that's it. Pencil liner on my lower lash line. I like that smudgy smoky effect, and that's why I'm using my pencil liner to smudge it a little bit more. You can say this is my version of classic makeup. A long winged liner, pencil liner, and that's it. This is my Chanel Pirate Red. So, this is the lipstick second layer. It's a beautiful shade of red. It has a little bit depth to it and I like it. And then I'm going to reapply my lip liner. And that's it. So I hope you like this quick look and I hope you will try it. I will be back soon with some more colorful, fun eye makeup tutorials tomorrow and the day after. So keep on watching and come back soon to Soma's Makeup Diary. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.